So one of the things that the built environment sector needs to get to grips with is how we address competency. And not competency as a static, abstract term, but actually as a dynamic concept. With so much happening and so much changing in our industry, we need to ensure that everyone who's operating in the industry is competent at a point in time and maintains the currency of that competence. And that's easier said than done. There's a lot to do in terms of how you not only bring new people into the industry with the appropriate competencies, but you can reskill and upskill existing practitioners through a program of continuous learning and CPD, how we understand the links between professional accreditation and CPD being mandated potentially, and the role of professional bodies in driving that. So there's lots to get our head around in terms of what the changing landscape is around proving competency and demonstrating competency. And this is a debate that goes much broader than the building safety debate that has played out and is one of the primary reasons why we're talking about competency in our industry. It has to be a much broader discussion about all aspects of professional practice. And BEFA absolutely wants to play its part in supporting that whole debate, particularly in helping professional bodies understand how they drive the competency debate at both entry level assessment of professional competence, but also through the continuing professional development debate as well.